What's going on, guys? My name is Senpai Kira and I have a quick tutorial on how to remove the green screen. And let's start off with opening a new project. And let's put this Chroma. Okay. And once this is up here, you need your elements here, so you need to import, of course. So this is my game and the sample of my green screen background, and in a short while we're going to remove that green screen. So firstly, let's drag our project right here, which is the game itself. In this project I was playing Resident Evil Code Veronica, and the next thing you need to do is drag your recording with the green screen. Now, alright, so I'm not going to go in depth with the audio. The audio is going to be really loud for this one. But what we're going to do firstly is go to the effects on the right side panel over here and type Ultra. Alright, so you'll have the effect right here, and you need to drag that on your green screen project, whatever it is. In my case, it's myself talking right here. Now, once you place the Ultra key effect on your timeline here, you need to go on the left here and highlight the Ultra key. And on this part here, there's a key color. So you're going to choose the color. You're going to click that dropper and press the desired color, which is the color green. We're going to click right here, and as you can see, the green is out. But in my case, when I was doing this video recording, my green screen is not actually that green, so it was kind of yellow green. So there's kind of leftover effects, which we are going to remove in a short while. Okay, let's proceed to matte generation. Now, on this part, go to the pedestal and drag it all the way to the right. And as you can see, part of that green is being removed. Now, we can still remove that leftover part right there, and we just need to go to the transparency and kind of move it to the left a little bit, or a little bit to the right, I'm sorry. But you kind of notice when you move it all the way to the right, my face kind of gets transparent. So you don't want to go all the way to the right, because your face is going to disappear, or whatever object there is going to disappear. So you just go with what's visible, and then go to the shadow and drag it all the way to the left. There you go. Now, as you can see, everything is now removed. And if we play this, so the game is already in the background, and it's pretty clean. But I'm gonna add one more stuff here before we end with our video, and that's gonna be matte cleanup. So let's go to matte cleanup and click on the choke. So in my case, I'll choose probably around 15, I guess, just to remove that rough edges on the side. And you can also soften that by probably going around 8. 8 is okay. And it's not really that noticeable, but it actually is when you're actually playing the video. And yeah, that's pretty much it for our how to remove your green background. And if you find this video informative or helpful for you, please click that subscribe button for more videos just like this. So I'll see you again on the next video. Peace out.